Hi. Okay, we're going to go through the functions so that you can recognize them within yourselves and use several functions. So you just kind of have to go through them and figure out which one is most dominant and those kinds of things, just on your natural way of being. But to kind of give you some insight, because there's always questions on, well, what does what function do? We'll just go through them real quick. Okay, the first one would be introverted intuition. That is just a big filing cabinet in your brain that you carry everywhere. You constantly retain information that proves to be useful and usable and works more often than not. It just is spontaneously in there because you have stored it in there. And when you learn something better or newer information, then you'll use that to apply in the future. So it's kind of like a hindsight thing. You know, you just take in the information and then you store and use later what you know and can be proved to work. Extroverted intuition is where you're constantly curious about what's going on around you. Things are expansive. Back on the introverted intuition, you like to minimize, and that's complete opposite of extroverted intuition, where it likes to expand, take an idea and grow from it. They're always curious about the alternatives, different ways of viewing things, open-ended and expansive, you know, to build from. Let me see. Next one would be introverted sensing, which is when you do something repeatedly because it's tried and true to you. You know, it's your physical surroundings. You feel comfortable in having things not change. I don't know, it gives you security in those habits and having things constant. Extroverted sensing would be in the moment, you know, where you engage in what's currently going on around you and you interact with it. Let me see. Introverted thinking is the bullcrap meter, where you believe things after you prove them to yourself. And it's very individual for who you are, what you believe and what you don't. Extroverted thinking is like the lessons you learned in school and from outside sources. You take those in and you also instill those in others. It's more like a person that tells you how to do the processes, like how to clean something or how to, you know, manage your surroundings, how to do things. The processes in them is usually an extroverted thinker. An introverted thinker kind of does their own thing and they don't tell other people how to do things. Extroverted feeling is a person that is pretty big on like following the social rules and behavior, and tries to instill those in other people. They want to help, of course, but they also like take charge or feel responsible for the emotional environment around them, making sure everyone is happy or whatever, and also criticize when somebody is being rude. Instilling that in other people, kind of taking charge of it. Introverted feeling is where you follow your own values, your own important things, and do your own thing, and you don't really mind so much, you know, how the emotions are around you or the etiquette or behavior, because you kind of firmly believe everyone can do that for themselves. You're just more into like the own things that you feel are important to you. Let me see. Perceiving, they're people that kind of take things as they come. Open-ended. Don't make a decision real fast because they kind of like to wait and see how they feel about the situation before they decide. And then a judger is one who knows spot on before they even try it that they're not going to like it. More proactive with their choices in their life. And I don't know, kind of see things through. Even if it's not like workable or whatever, they'll still want to see it through because it gives them closure. Well, there are the functions anyway. Hope that helped you to understand each one a little bit better and see which ones you apply or your brain does within your life. Thank you.